This year's 6th annual Gilita Chamorro Festival starts May 24 to 26 featuring
NMC Agriculture Fair, first annual deer hunting competition, coconut crab showcase,
and many traditional demonstrations on original Chamorro cooking, Chamorro medicines, arts and crafts, traditional games, live Chamorro music, and more. Free guided site tours to ancient Chamorro settlements and World War II Japanese sites.
So plan your Memorial Day weekend and travel to Rota. Gilita is a Chamorro word meaning people from Rota. So these festivities will allow you to experience our Chamorro traditions.
Viva Gilita! May lata fanita!